How to transfer your posts to WordPress on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your posts to WordPress on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now just go down until you find transfer a copy of your information. Click on it and then click next, and now click WordPress and go to notes and click none and then click next, and now just connect your Facebook with WordPress. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.